How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat 2025 Etch Fix. Welcome back. In this guide, I'll explain how Snapchat snaps actually work in 2025, why media upload is required, and what you can do if your snap is stuck or not sending properly without using any hacks or unsafe methods. First, let's clarify an important point. Snapchat does not allow sending snaps without uploading media. Every snap, whether it's a photo, video, Bitmoji snap, or camera capture, must be uploaded to Snapchat servers before it can be delivered. There is no official feature to bypass media upload. So if someone claims you can send snaps without uploading media, that information is incorrect or unsafe. Now, let's focus on the real issue most users face, the upload problem. First step. Check your internet connection. Snapchat requires a stable internet connection to upload snaps. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Second step. Restart the Snapchat app. Completely close the app from recent apps, reopen it, and try sending the snap again. Temporary glitches can cause upload failures. Third step. Clear Snapchat cache. On Android, go to Snapchat settings, scroll down, tap Clear Cache, and confirm. On iPhone, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear cache data. Fourth step. Check Snapchat server status. Sometimes the problem is not your phone, but Snapchat servers. If servers are down, snaps may stay stuck on uploading. Fifth step. Update Snapchat. Go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure you're using the latest version. Older versions often cause upload-related bugs. Here's a pro tip. Avoid using VPNs, data savers, or background restrictors while using Snapchat. These can block media uploads and cause snaps to fail. To summarize, you cannot send snaps without media upload on Snapchat in 2025. Uploading is mandatory. However, if your snaps aren't sending, fixing your connection, clearing cache, updating the app, and checking server status will solve the issue in most cases. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more honest Snapchat guides, and comment below, are your snaps sending properly now or still stuck on upload?